Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today. Today is such a very important video, especially if you are looking for an escape plan. As you guys all know, there is conflict all around us. You need to have your finances ready and remotely so that when it's time to pick up your bags, you have enough money to do so. And that is why I'm telling you guys to start this one Faceless channel so that you can make money anywhere in the world. I started my very first channel in January 2024, and I made in that very first month over $26,000. And in my first day, I made $2,135. So when I tell you, if you are a beginner, this is the channel that you are going to need to start. Let's get into the video right now. For all of you guys who don't know me and are new to the channel, my name is Coach Sam, where I teach women and men of all ages how to make their money online so that you can retire, so that you can have money anywhere in the world, and so that you can leave that 9-to-5 job, okay? So this video is going to help you to start your very first Faceless channel. And if you're a beginner, this one channel is going to change your life. You can make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 literally in 1 month with this channel. And yes, I have already done it. I've started this channel with no followers. I started this channel from a brand new channel. So when I tell you guys that this is going to be the channel to start, this is the channel to start if you're a beginner. And it is so important, you guys, okay? So let's get right into the video. Before we get into the video, you guys, let's do the shout outs of the day and let's do my inspirations of the day. So my first shout out of the day, it goes to Mary. You guys, Mary started her channel. She is 56 years young. She started her channel, you guys. She had been living off of Social Security checks, going from check to check. And you guys, I am happy to say when she started the channel that I'm going to show you right now, baby, she just made her first $1,000 in 2 weeks. So when I tell you guys that this is the channel to start, it is the channel to start, okay? And let's get into the inspiration of the day. I want you guys to put this inspiration in the comment section below. And the inspiration of the day is, God said it is my time. God said it is time for me to be free, okay? So put that in the comment section, you guys. And I also want to let you know I have linked my full course below. So everything that you see in this video is going to be in that course. I want to help you guys start your channel just like Mary, you guys. I want to help you guys start your channel from step number 3 and not step number 0. And you guys, in that course, not only are you going to get a full course, but every piece of content, I already made your content for you. All you have to do is post on your new channel and start making your money immediately. I have over 3,000 pieces of content for you to choose from, and it is faceless content. You guys, all I want you to do is post on the channel, create that channel and post. It is time for you to come out the shadows, and it is time for you to tell everybody who has said any nasty, mean stuff for you, anybody who has counted you out. Baby, it is time for you to go. It is time for you to live in your light. And Coach Sam is going to help you do that, okay? Because it is time for you to start traveling. It is time for you to tell your boss, I am not coming in, and don't ask for me, okay? So start right now. Like I said, there's over 3,000 pieces of content in there. Your ebooks, your journals, your planners are already linked in there. And that is what you're going to link to your Faceless channel so you can make that money and go about your business, okay? Also, you guys, in that course, it is a community. Our community is actually a grow group, you guys. And that grow group is going to help you to monetize very quickly, okay? Because there are over 2,000 of us in that grow group where we not only follow each other, but we watch each other videos so that we can get monetized quickly, okay? And also, you guys, I've included my mentorship. If you have any questions about starting your channel and about putting it together, come to the Sunday night mentorship meetings. Those mentorship meetings, you guys, are included in the purchase of your course. You guys, you're going to be in there with like-minded individuals, and everybody there is growing their channels and making their money, okay? But let's get into this video with you guys, because I want to show you how to start your own channel so that you can start traveling, so that you can fly first class on YouTube's dollar, and so that you can leave the 9 to 5, and if you have to, leave good old America, okay? So let's get right into it right now. So the first thing that you're going to start doing, especially if you're a beginner, if you're new to this, the best channel that you are going to start is going to be a motivational channel. And the reason why I say start a motivational channel is because there are so many people that need to be motivated. And if you are like me, if you have children, if you have a significant other, then go ahead and start that motivational channel, because I know that you're motivating your family. You are literally helping them to be the best that they are. And you guys, you can get paid off of your motivations, okay? A motivational faceless channel is the easiest channel for you to start, point blank and period. And let me ask you guys something. This is how you know that you have a gift, and you just have to monetize that gift, okay? If everyone who talks to you tells you how good they feel after they have talked to you, sister or brother, you have a gift. It is time to monetize that gift and get yourself out of that struggle, okay? So start that motivational channel. If every single time somebody has a problem, you are the first person they come to, that same motivation that you're giving them and the same way that you pipe them up, you could be piping up your income right here on YouTube. And YouTube will help you to pay for your life just by that one video, you guys. YouTube paid me $12,000 for a motivation that I gave my daughter. I flipped that motivation and I put it on the YouTube channel. And you guys, YouTube paid me $12,000 for that video. So I am going to show you how you're going to start that channel, how you're going to make it, okay? The first thing that you're going to do, you're going to go to the 7,000 digital products. You guys, this is included in your course. Now, when you're starting a channel, the first thing that you need to do is you need to go ahead and you need to pick out a product that you are going to sell on your channel. All right, so let's get into it right now, you guys. So you're going to go to the 7,000 digital products. And like I said before, a motivational channel is the channel that you are going to start, okay? So we're going to go up here and we are going to go to the 7,000 digital products. This is included within your course. Like I said, I did all of your content. Your content is going to actually be up here with the 8,000 faceless reels, but you're also going to have other faceless reels that are included within the course, you guys. These reels can be repurposed as reels, YouTube shorts, you name it, they can be repurposed as it, okay? So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to pick the product that you're going to link to the channel. You need to pick your product first, okay? Because that is going to be the base for your channel. So what you're going to do, you're going to go down here to the 800 plus journal pages. And you guys, I like either this gratitude journal with prompts for women, or you can do the daily affirmations. You can do the prayer request. Any of those channels will work. Or the manifestation dream life journal, gratitude journal, you guys. I love all of these journals, but let me tell you, it's something really about these gratitude journals that literally lifts me up, and it will lift up your customers, okay? So let's get right into it right now, you guys. So this gratitude journal, like I told you guys, is amazing. This is where your clients or people who buy your journals are going to be able to use them with you, okay? So let's go over here. We're going to go to uploads. And you guys, all you have to do to make this look like it comes from you is you're going to upload this, you guys. You're going to upload a picture to this, and you're going to use your own picture as the cover. so that this look like it comes straight from you, even though you haven't done anything to it besides change the color. And how we're going to do that, you guys, we are going to go to ebook covers. In the, what's it called? We're going to go to ebook covers. Let's go to templates. Let's go to ebook covers, and I'm going to show you what ebook cover you need right now. Okay, so you're going to go to ebook cover, and then you're going to look for a cover that has a picture inlet. Okay, or my thing, you could go to coaching ebook covers, and let's see what they give us. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go, you guys. I always use this one. This is one of my favorite ones. Okay, so you could go to the ultimate coaching guide, which is here, but there are so many. Okay, so what you're going to do when you do this, you are going to go ahead and you're going to pick an ebook cover. Okay, so we're just going to use this one as an example, and then we're going to bring this over here. It says add template as new page. Yes, we're going to add this as a new page. All right, so once we're here, we're also going to go up, and then we're going to upload a picture. Okay, you can either upload a picture of yourself, or you can upload a picture of your logo if you want to be 100% completely faceless. Okay, so we're going to go here, we're going to go to upload, and then all you're going to do is change the picture and change the wording. So mine would be the ultimate manifestation, and then we're going to go to guide. All right, here we go. Boom, there we go. And then you guys, what we're going to do now, we are going to go here, we're going to go to share, and then we are going to go to template link. We're going to download this as a template link, and then we are going to put it into our Stand Store, you guys. And in the course, I have a whole section on Stand Store teaching you guys how to do that. All right, so now that you have your ebook together, the next thing you're going to do is you are going to post on the channel, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, so the next thing that you're going to do, you are going to go right here to your content. When I tell you guys that I have already pre-made your content, I mean I have already pre-made your content. Okay, so it is literally going to take you less than 20 minutes for you to start posting your content. So right now, you guys, we are going to go to the melanin. We're going to go to the melanin 800 pack. And then you guys, we're going to use these. Okay, now these are going to blow up your channel. I am telling you right now, these blow up my channel no matter what channel I start. This is viral content. This is the content that makes you look like you are in front of a Mercedes, in front of a Benz, out there on vacation. And you guys, all you're going to do is you're going to put a motivational tip, and you are going to let it run. Okay, Coach Sam is not a technical girly. You guys, we're doing low effort, low maintenance, high income. Okay, high income. So what you're going to do, you're going to take one of these out of the melanin pack, you guys, and all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you are going to use this to put on your channel. Okay, and like I said before, you guys, all of this is included. Please start your channel. I don't care what anybody else says. Start that channel, start making your money, and go about your business. Listen, and I want to share with you guys, a lot of time we have people in our lives that tell us that we cannot do stuff. But I am telling you right now, as your coach, that you can do this. This is for you. And a lot of times, those people are clouds to our sunshine. But what I'm telling you here today, that it's about time that the sun starts shining. Okay, so let's go, let's do this. Come join the rich girls and come make that money, sis. Okay, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.